Did you know that over 25 million people in the US experience urinary incontinence every day? It's a silent struggle that most people don't talk about, but it's something that impacts your confidence, your daily routine, and even your social life. Imagine having to cancel plans or avoid fun activities just because you're worried about leakage. It's frustrating, isolating, and emotionally exhausting. But here's the truth: urinary incontinence doesn't have to control your life. There are modern and alternative treatments that can make a world of difference. It's not just about medications or quick fixes. It's about taking a comprehensive approach, combining medical advancements, physical therapy, and lifestyle changes to find a solution that works for you. Whether it's strengthening your pelvic muscles, managing stress, or making simple dietary changes, there are plenty of ways to regain control. And the best part? These solutions can be life-changing, giving you the freedom to enjoy every moment without hesitation. Throughout this guide, we're going to dive deep into the options that exist today, from cutting-edge medical treatments to natural remedies and simple lifestyle tweaks. You'll discover that you don't have to face this condition alone, and with the right approach, it's possible to live life with confidence and ease. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to tackle urinary incontinence head-on and find a solution that's tailored to your needs. So, let's get started and explore the treatments that can help you regain control over your life. Urinary incontinence is more common than most people think, yet it's one of those topics nobody wants to talk about. Let's break it down. It's the loss of bladder control, and trust me, it can happen to anyone. From sneezing and suddenly leaking to feeling a strong, uncontrollable urge, there are different ways this condition impacts daily life. Imagine being too scared to laugh at a joke because you're worried about an accident. That's how deeply it affects someone's confidence and social life. The causes? They vary. It could be something as natural as pregnancy and childbirth, which can weaken pelvic floor muscles, or aging, which often decreases bladder elasticity. For some, it's linked to chronic conditions like diabetes or even nerve damage. Picture this: a mom who just gave birth suddenly finds herself avoiding long trips because she's unsure of when she might need a bathroom. It's more than inconvenient, it's isolating. And the types of incontinence? There's stress incontinence, which happens during physical activity, and urge incontinence, where you suddenly feel like you need to go right now. Then there's overflow incontinence, when the bladder doesn't fully empty, and mixed incontinence, a frustrating combo of multiple types. Each one comes with its own set of challenges, making it clear that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. What's worse, the emotional toll is just as heavy as the physical. The constant worry about what if it happens in public can lead to avoiding social events, skipping workouts, or even feeling trapped in your own home. But here's the good news: understanding the why behind urinary incontinence is the first step to reclaiming your confidence. And in the next step, we'll explore how modern treatments are changing lives, making it easier to manage, and even overcome this condition. When it comes to urinary incontinence, modern medicine has made leaps and bounds, offering solutions that are more effective and less invasive than ever before. For example, medications like anticholinergics can calm an overactive bladder, while newer drugs target specific receptors to reduce those sudden urges. Think of it as giving your bladder a little chill pill to help you regain control. For some, these medications are a game changer, making daily life feel normal again. Physical therapy is another powerful tool, especially for those dealing with stress or mixed incontinence. Pelvic floor therapy, led by trained specialists, focuses on strengthening those deep muscles that support the bladder. Imagine this: learning simple exercises like Kegels and seeing results that make you feel stronger and more in control in just a few weeks. It's like physical therapy for your core, but tailored specifically for your bladder health. And let's not forget the advancements in minimally invasive procedures. For women, options like urethral bulking injections or sling surgeries are becoming more common and accessible. These treatments often involve short recovery times and long-lasting results. For men, procedures like artificial urinary sphincters or nerve modulation can address even the most severe cases. Picture this: a quick outpatient visit that drastically reduces leaks, giving someone the freedom to enjoy life without worrying about accidents. The beauty of these modern treatments is that they can be tailored to fit different lifestyles and needs. Whether it's a busy parent who can't afford downtime or an elderly individual looking for gentle, low-risk options, there's a solution for everyone. But here's the thing, medicine isn't the only path forward. In fact, alternative approaches can sometimes complement or even enhance these treatments. Curious? Stick around, because up next, we're diving into natural remedies and lifestyle adjustments that can make a world of difference. When it comes to managing urinary incontinence, sometimes the simplest, most natural solutions can make the biggest difference. Take herbal remedies, for example. Corn silk, horsetail, and pumpkin seed extract have been used for centuries to support bladder health. Imagine brewing a soothing herbal tea at night, not just for relaxation but also to strengthen your urinary tract over time. These remedies might sound old-fashioned, but many people swear by their effectiveness when paired with other strategies. Pelvic floor exercises are another cornerstone of natural care. You've probably heard of Kegels, but here's the trick, they need to be done consistently and correctly. A great way to practice? Squeeze as if you're stopping the flow of urine, hold for 5 seconds, and release. Repeat this 10 to 15 times a day, and over a few weeks, you'll notice the difference. Want to take it up a notch? Consider investing in biofeedback devices or apps that guide you through these exercises, making it easy to track progress from the comfort of your home. Lifestyle adjustments also play a huge role in bladder control. Small changes like cutting back on caffeine or alcohol can dramatically reduce urgency and leakage. Imagine switching your second cup of coffee for a refreshing glass of water infused with lemon or cucumber. It's a simple swap that helps with hydration and reduces bladder irritation. Staying active is equally important. Even something as low impact as yoga can help strengthen your core and pelvic area while reducing stress. Speaking of stress, mindfulness and relaxation techniques can be a game changer. Did you know that chronic stress can worsen bladder issues? Practices like deep breathing, meditation, or even journaling can help calm your mind and body, giving you more control. Picture ending your day with a calming 10-minute meditation, focusing on your breath, and feeling a sense of balance returning to your life. But managing stress is just the start. Next, we'll explore how the mind-body connection plays a crucial role in urinary health and what you can do to harness it. Believe it or not, stress has a direct impact on your bladder. Think about it, when you're anxious or overwhelmed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing stress hormones that affect everything from your heart rate to your bladder control. Imagine being at a work meeting and suddenly feeling the urge to go, but you hold it in because you're too focused on the task at hand. That pressure? It's a physical response to mental stress, and it can make bladder control feel even more challenging. One of the most important things to understand is that the mind and body are deeply connected when it comes to urinary incontinence. People who experience chronic stress or anxiety often report more frequent and intense bladder symptoms. Take someone dealing with work stress, they may hold on to that tension all day, unknowingly straining the pelvic floor muscles, making it harder to control their bladder. This vicious cycle is one reason why managing mental health is so crucial in regaining control. So, what can you do to break the cycle? First, start by focusing on mental health. Practices like deep breathing exercises or guided relaxation can significantly reduce your body's stress response, making it easier for you to regain bladder control. A great technique is progressive muscle relaxation, where you slowly tense and then relax different muscle groups, starting from your toes and working up to your head. It's a great way to release tension and feel grounded again. And don't forget the power of mindfulness. Mindfulness-based stress reduction, MBSR, has been shown to reduce symptoms of both stress and incontinence. Imagine sitting quietly, focusing on the sensations in your body, and releasing any feelings of stress or anxiety. This might sound too simple, but it's incredibly effective. Mindfulness not only helps you relax but also teaches you how to stay calm during those moments when stress starts to trigger bladder urgency. But mastering stress is only half the battle. There's more to improving urinary control, and the next step will dive into long-term solutions that combine different approaches for lasting results. When it comes to urinary incontinence, the key to lasting results is a holistic approach, combining medical treatments with lifestyle changes and natural therapies. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't rely on just one material to make it sturdy, right? The same goes for managing incontinence. By integrating medications, physical therapy, and mindfulness practices, you're creating a solid foundation that helps prevent future issues while improving your quality of life. One powerful combination is using medications alongside pelvic floor exercises. Medications can help manage sudden urges and strengthen your bladder's resistance, while exercises help target the muscles that control urine flow. Imagine taking a daily medication that calms your bladder, while also committing to a 10-minute Kegel session each day. Over time, you're not just managing symptoms, you're getting stronger and more in control. Another game changer is incorporating stress reduction techniques alongside your treatment plan. Stress is a major player in urinary incontinence, and without addressing it, even the best treatments may fall short. That's why combining physical exercises with mindfulness or meditation is such a powerful strategy. Picture yourself practicing yoga in the morning, then taking a few minutes to meditate before bed. It's a routine that nurtures your mind and body, empowering you to live a stress-free life with better bladder control. And here's the real win: making these changes in your daily life can lead to long-term improvements in both your urinary health and overall well-being. By adopting a balanced approach, you're not just treating the condition, you're creating a healthier, more active lifestyle. Over time, you'll notice your confidence growing as you regain control over your bladder and stress levels. The beauty of it all? These changes don't just improve bladder health, they enhance your quality of life in every way. Remember how frustrating it felt to constantly worry about urinary incontinence? The leaks, the stress, the isolation? Now you know that a combination of modern medical treatments, natural remedies, and lifestyle adjustments can turn things around. You have the power to take control of your bladder health and, ultimately, your life. So, why not start today? Whether it's committing to a pelvic floor routine, trying out some mindfulness techniques, or discussing treatment options with your healthcare provider, every step you take brings you closer to the freedom you deserve. Imagine living without that nagging fear of an accident, without compromising on your plans, or avoiding social activities. It's time to break free from the cycle of embarrassment and take charge. If you're ready to live a life of confidence and joy, start applying these solutions, and watch your quality of life soar. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we've got more tips and insights to transform your health for the better. Don't miss out on the tools and strategies that can change your life forever. You've already taken the first step, now keep going.